Haleem with homemade naan for Sunday brunch. I can't resist. This is usually how we eat it. Sprinkle some chaat masala. Pour some lemon. And make a bite with naan. Rich in flavor.
Hello everyone. The ingredients we need are split chickpeas quarter cup, green lentils quarter cup, black lentils quarter cup, red lentils quarter cup, oats quarter cup, red chili flakes 1 teaspoon, wheat half cup, Haleem masala I am taking 2 tablespoons. You can get this Haleem masala from any Indian or Pakistani store, but if you want to use the home spices, I will add all the spices in subtitles. Chicken 1 pound, salt 3 teaspoons, and tomatoes 1 small, onion 1 medium, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 8 tablespoon oil, and korma masala I'm taking 1 teaspoon. This is also available on Indian and Pakistani stores, and I will also add in subtitles all the spices. I will start my instant pot on saute mode on maximum heat. Add 2 tablespoon oil. Add onion, half of the onion I will add, and half I will save for later for the seasoning of the Haleem. I will cook the onion until it gets golden brown. When the onions turn golden brown, add ginger garlic paste. Fry it for next 1 minute. After 1 minute, add tomatoes. Cook it for next 1 minute. After 1 minute, add chicken. And add korma masala. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Add 1 tablespoon water and cook it for at least 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, add half cup water and start the pressure mode. Set the handle on sealing mode and set the pressure for 8 minutes on high pressure. After 8 minutes pressure, I will turn the handle to venting mode. I will start the saute mode on high heat and cook it for next 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take out the chicken. Now I will add my soaked wheat and lentils in the same pan. Now add 2 cups of water. Add Haleem masala. I'm not adding salt at this point because when you add salt in grains or pulses, they take extra time to cook. So I will add my salt later. Now cover the lid. Set the handle on sealing mode. Start the pressure mode for 10 minutes on high pressure. In the meantime, take out all the bones from the meat.
What if we use boneless chicken in the beginning?
Yes, you can use the boneless chicken as well, but actually I like the flavor with the bone.
Okay.
Pressure is released. Now I will open my lid. Now start the saute mode on high heat and add 1 cup water and let it cook for next 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I will add chicken in it. If you like the smooth consistency, you can blend it before adding the chicken. I like it like this, so I'm not blending it. And at this point, I will add salt and prepare my seasoning. Add 6 tablespoons of oil and add onions. After it turns golden brown, I will add my chili flakes and add my seasoning to the halim. At this point, if you like, you can add chaat masala as well. Halim is ready to dish out.